Alright team, so we're back again, and this time we're going to go over the URL manager and all the different things you can do with it and the functionality that it provides in WP Checklist Maximizer, okay? So just for starters, thanks for being here. All you got to do is check the URL manager link on the left hand side of the plugin navigation menu, and you're right here. As you can see, it looks very similar to the rest of the site. So let's just go ahead and take a look at it. You can click on pages. Now, I've already said this has a lot of pages, so I'm not going to basically scroll through. It shows 20 per page. Probably have to do it 7 or 8 times to get to the end of it. But what I'm going to do is I'm showing it to you is you have the short code and you also have the full URL right here. And if you want to go check it out, you just click on the link. It opens in a new window and it shows it right on the blog. Okay, so that's basically how that works. It's super simple. And then also, go ahead and minimize that. You can also click on this export button right here, just like in some of the other parts of the blog, and it'll let you download your file. So have you ever just wished that you could get the URLs for a specific category or maybe for your whole site into a spreadsheet, and you just didn't want to have to either go into PHP MyAdmin for the database and try to export that stuff? Me personally, I get scared when I go in there because it's too easy to mess things up. But you don't have to worry about that now. You can literally just export any piece of information you want out of your WordPress blog now. So let's just look and see what it gives us. It gives us the permalink, right? That's the standard URL, the SEO friendly URL. And then it also gives us the short URL, which is just basically the page ID, which this will obviously redirect to the SEO friendly URL. But if you're building links, sometimes you might be limited on how many characters you have, so this makes life a lot easier. Also, we have the type it is. These are all pages. We have the title, if that's what we're looking for. And then also, just to remind you, remember we had those labels that were called linked from home? Well, if you go down to the bottom, here you go, linked from home, right? So it also shows you what labels are being used. And then there you go, there's 143 pages. That's the 143rd page on this blog. So there's a lot of pages on here, but those are all linked from the home page. All right, so let's go and check that out in detail. I'm going to close this for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at those linked from home, okay? And so it's going to show them all. Now, what I've done is I've used another one of the labels, right? And this time I put a keyword in there. So you could do the same exact thing. You could even have your team do this. You could create a task template that basically said, go to a certain part of your blog, whether it's a category you want or like depends on what you want to promote, but put your keywords in there, and that way you have more information to work with. And I wanted to make sure you had plenty of labels, so I gave you 6 of them for each item in your blog. That's 6 per post, 6 per page, per category page, for literally everything. So you're going to have 6 possible labels that you can put onto any piece of content that you make in your blog. This makes it amazingly easy and also intelligent to sort your blog and to organize it the way that you want. So for example, maybe you have some landing pages, some pay-per-click landing pages. Well, that's easy. All you got to do is just come over here, put PPC landing page, and then now you know, and if, say both of these are, right? Those are both landing pages. And maybe this is an SEO, basically an SEO target, so that you really want to rank this page for SEO. Okay, so if you save these labels, then you can always come back in later and you can just put in SEO target, and then you can search. Right? It's that simple. And there's only 2 of them. So, and what was the other one? PPC landing page, and it should show both of those. Right? So that's all there is to it. It's really, really, really simple. So let me just go ahead and go back to link from home. And well, I'll leave those there for now. But I want to show you what happens when you export a page like this that has multiple labels on it. So let's just go ahead and open up this file. So we still have the permalink. We still have the short URL, the page type. We also have the title. But then for labels, check this out. Now we have more of them. Let me scoot this over a little. We have the link from home label. We also have a keyword label. And then over here in label 6, we have PPC landing page, SEO target. So you can just really organize your site this way so that if you ever have any questions about what content goes where, or Maybe when you added the content, you had a plan in mind, and then 6 months later, you couldn't remember what that was. Well, you can go back and see, okay, this is a PPC landing page. I gotcha. Oh, okay, this is a SEO target. Okay. Oh, this is one of the pages that's linked from the home. All right, definitely. Yeah, we definitely want to make sure we promote that. And just, and on and on and on. So in a nutshell, that's basically all there is to the URL manager. Now, I want you to think about this for a second. This could easily have been a totally different plugin that I could have sold all day long for, well, who knows how much. It's an amazingly powerful feature that I added into a WP Checklist Maximizer, but it's basically another full price plugin just bundled with this. So, and maybe it'll get released that way in the future if enough people want it, but it provides so much functionality inside your blog and just gives you just an amazing ability at a granular level to really, really organize your content the way that you want and to sort through your content. And not only that, but you can export this stuff, and once it's exported, you have the URLs as well as the keywords. So if you want to build a resource box for Unique Article Wizard or another blog publishing platform and spin in the keywords as well as the URLs, this is the easiest way to do it, guys. I'm telling you, you can export all this information and just use it in a lot of different ways to add a lot of leverage to your SEO like basically your SEO efforts and any other promotion efforts that you have going on too. So that's basically it for this video. I just want to cover the URL manager and show you what it does and show you how easy it is to use and just basically how you can greatly benefit by spending some time in here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. As always, you can go to MaximizerCustomerService.com and put a ticket in if you have any questions, and we'll make sure we get you taken care of. All right? Thanks a lot, guys. Be right back with another video.